What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of canceling a Remitly transaction that is currently in progress. Understanding how to manage your transactions effectively can save your time and avoid potential fees. Whether you made an error during the transaction or simply changed your mind, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. Launch the Remitly application on your mobile device or open the Remitly website in your browser. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, this is where the transaction happens. 2 of them are delivered and 1 of them is in process. To cancel it, just tap the On Process Transaction. While you are inside of the transaction, scroll down until you find the Cancel Transfer button. After you locate the Cancel Transfer button, tap on it. As you can see, your refund will take up to 10 business days, so you have to be patient to get your refund. There are 2 choices if you want to continue transfer or cancel transfer. Since we're here to cancel the transfer, tap on the Cancel Transfer button. The transfer has been canceled. The app will ask you why you canceled your transfer. After choosing your reason, tap on Submit. Now the transaction has been canceled, and as you can see in the video, canceling a Remitly transaction in progress is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.